guys, and welcome to Stuff You Should Buy. This is Harry. Today I'm doing a review on the Apexel. Let's get into it. Let's unbox it and see what it's all about. Wow, look at that. That is a monster lens. Slide it out gently. We've got the lens and the lens cap. Now, we'll take this out. It is actually quite heavy. Metal as well. This really feels of solid and awesome construction. It actually feels quite full on. We've got glass here. Actual glass. Got a little lens cap here, or hood cap. The way it works is this sort of screws on, and I am guessing because I haven't done this before. There we go. Looks like there are some plastic coverings here. I haven't opened this up. I haven't used something like this before, so there you go. It sort of feels spongy and soft, a lot better than the plastic that was on there anyway. And it does actually feel like it's a lot more grippy too, so it's not going to slide around. Oh, look at that. How awesome. They actually have a lens hood. Look at that. That's great for protecting the actual glass underneath. Oh, wow. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Okay, I will place the link for it, or you can get it online. What you always want to do is pop the lens hood on it, and then you can just pop it in this little leather pouch, nice and snug, and away you go. And we've got a little chamois to give it a wipe. There is a user manual. Basically with this, it comes attached together, but when you separate it, you get the actual macro lens here, and you get the wide angle lens here. So by turning this and separating it between going wide angle and macro. Wow, look at that. Two lenses. That's your macro, zooming in, right? You cannot use the wide angle lens on its own. It won't screw. They have to be together. But if you want to do macro photography, you can use it on its own. All right, so you want to take a close-up, you can use the macro lens, so forth or whatnot. Pretty simple. And yeah, so it attaches like that. And when you want to do wide angle, pop this back on the lens. Careful when screwing this on, just so that you don't mess up the thread by forcing it. Once it's on, it sits pretty good, and you don't need to tighten it really hard, okay? When you're sliding it on, but you slide it on until where you can see the lens of the camera and centering it just right where you want it. Now I'll bring that a bit closer so you can see what I'm saying. So that's how it is. It's pretty simple. As you can see here, it's set up there. It grips on really well, and as you can see, not falling off. Pretty good, pretty grippy. Okay guys, what do you think? I'm actually going to take the wide angle lens off right now so you can see. Wow, look at that. What a difference. I hope you liked the video. If there's any questions you have about this, post them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. If you know something else about this I don't know, share it in the comment section. I'd appreciate it, and anyone else coming would as well. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'll be throwing up some more cool videos to come. Give me a thumbs up too. I don't know if I asked for that, but yeah, if you can give me a thumbs up, that'll help my video and the channel as well. Now, I really would appreciate it. Also, if you want to find this, have a look in the description. If it can be purchased online at a good price, I will provide the link for it. Guys, that's about it. And girls, should I say thanks, and aliens and whatever else, whoever else might be tuning in and watching. Thanks. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are.